What's up, guys? I'm Heather, and today I'll be playing Animal Jam. Haha, it's such a fun game. So basically, I'm I don't know. Wait, I'm basically a tiger right now. So I'm gonna change a fancy hat. It's cute. Okay, now fancy flip-flops, glasses, and this does not look like me at all. Like, literally. Okay, so my eye color is, I have two different eye colors, but we're gonna make my eye color orange. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. I cannot make it look like me. I need to join the animal club. A necklace. We're gonna put it as fabulous. Temple pet. Fabulous temple pet. So basically, wait, is there a den around here? I'm gonna find if there's a den. Crap, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna go into my den. I wanna see what my den looks like. Where's my den? Okay, I found my den. Okay, now let's check it out. Ooh, this looks fancy. This is a fancy den. And I also adopted a pet. My den looks so fancy. Oh, I also grew taller. That's nice. Okay. So this den looks nice. The couch looks nice because it has a crown on top of it. There's a picture of a castle. I'm gonna see what's over here. Crap, I'm going the wrong way again. Those are books, I think. Yeah, I think those are books. And you could take selfies. I think you could take selfies. I'm not sure. But and you could look around the world. I was over here, so now we're gonna go over here. I like this game. Haha. Go. Yeah, I like this game. It's so much fun. Oh, someone said something. Which animals should you... I think they do challenges in Animal Jam. I'm not sure. Come to animal. Wait, I'm gonna go over there. Oh my god, it's ice. I like it. Log jammer. What does that mean? But I'm gonna look for something to do while I'm over here. Oh look, the bunny looks like Harmony. Harmony's twin. Oh, she left. to change my animal. I don't really, I do like it, but it doesn't look like me though. Oh wait, I have to join the Animal Jam Club. I want to change my animal. How do you change the animal? Oh, I think it's this. Yeah, I think it was that button. Let's see, change animal. Okay, right now I'm on the animals, alright? And it looks like I got kangaroo. But look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. A monkey? Let's see. An Arctic wolf? I want to be an eagle so bad, but look at the price. It's 1,500. Arabian horse. That horse does not look like me at all. Except for this one a little. But still, that does not look like me at all. I should have chose the bunny. Because look at the prices on these. Look at them. Yeah, I know these prices are a lot, but still. You need 200 more gems to purchase this panda. Okay, I'll keep playing them. What does this do? Royal tiger. Not sure if I want the tiger though. Recycle. I'm not sure if I wanted the tiger though. Let's see if there's a way to change the animal. Oh wait, you could add emotions? You could play games? Pick a game to invite others to play with you. Okay, I'll choose a game. Now which game do I pick, you guys? This is hard. This is hard. Okay, what game should I choose? Stack Attack, Beachside. I don't know what that word is, but Log Jammer, Buddy Derby, or checkers, marbles, popping, scooping, scooped, Supercube, trivia questions. I'll play scooped because the trivia questions are hard. Yeah. Okay, it says quickly recreate ice cream comes to a win. Okay. Find match. Okay, so I invited people to join me in Scooped. Let's see what others say about it. Okay, so far nobody has said anything. Okay, I think you need to press this. I think you need to press this. Okay. Okay, so right now we're playing the Phantom game. Okay, watch me win. Crap. Crap, I got hurt. Let's try again. Crap, I forgot I'm not in this. I'm not in this. Right now I'm in 8th place. So that means I'm not winning right now. So that means I'm not winning right now. I'm only in 8th place, so that means I'm not winning. And I have like 30 coins. So probably everybody's like losing. Okay, fun fact. Volcanoes are openings in the rocks and the earth crust that metal, rock, and hot gas can escape from. I didn't know that. I thought volcanoes were the size of my head. Just kidding. Just kidding. But look at this information. It smells like cheese. Okay, continue. Royal Tiger. Great job to this person. Great job to this person of winning. If you're that person and you're watching this video, and if you have YouTube, congratulations to you for winning. We're gonna be playing again because I lost. That was a fun fact that you didn't know about volcanoes. Crap. Stay here? I think it's gonna come for us. So yeah, we shouldn't stay there. Crap, I lost. Oh my god. I'm in 8th place and I already have like 60 coins. We're just gonna watch the other players play because you know what? I'm just gonna go to a new game. Okay, new game. Ready, set, go! Reminds me of my ex-wife. Pretend you didn't just hear that, okay? I think we can move now. Crap, it's coming right towards us. Oh no, it's coming right towards me. Crap, I lost. But, okay, I'm gonna be restarting this game. Okay, restart. Okay, restart. Cause I lost. Oh my god, I keep losing. You know what, I'm just gonna exit the game. Yeah, I just exited the game. Okay. Right now we're getting invited to a party, so let's see. Ooh, this is a fancy house. Kind of reminds me of my ex-wife, Bertha. And it's her birthday, and I did not get her anything. Blah. Okay, let's see let's see this place. Okay, so we're gonna watch the joke thing.
What game is that?
That was a funny joke. Even my ex-wife is laughing. Yeah, she's a wall.
What do you want to do?
5-minute fries. I know you can hear me, Bertha. I'm playing Animal Jam. Okay, I think, yeah, I think, crap, I think I'm gonna play a game now. Okay, I want to do the trivia questions, but they're gonna be hard, and I'm gonna get mad. So let's now play the trivia game. Fast foodies. Okay, so we're gonna be playing fast foodies, and let's see how I do. Snacks. Snack theater. What's snack theater? Select a stage. Juice hunt. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Select a level. Level 1, of course, because how can I be on level 2 if I'm on level 1? Ha! That makes no sense, right? Right, guys? Right? I see your cute little faces. On the screen right now. I see your cute little faces. Okay, so we're going to start on level 1. How to play. Okay, I'm going to read this. Drag ingredients to the different cooking stations, then serve the food, the complete food to your customers. Customers who get their food quickly will be happy and give you more gems. So those are the directions. Okay, let's start. Your goal, 1,500. Okay. Oh my god, that was the first try. That was the first try. Okay, second one. Oh my god, that customer was happy. Okay, now this customer wants an orange and a kiwi. I'm scared of oranges, but oh well. No, stupid. Yay, this customer is so happy. Oh, I got gems. 1,500. I won! Yes! 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 Okay, next level. Your goal. Oh, I'm on level 2 now. Okay, so my goal is 300 coins. I can like 300 gems or something. But I want to call them coins because they look like coins. Okay, let's play level 2. Let's play level 2. Okay, so this, don't mind the messages. Okay, so this person wants kiwi and a pineapple. Oh, I think she's talking about the pineapple in the cup. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Kiwi. Wait. Crap. No, not an orange. Stupid. I think I'll do an orange. Why is it not going? Why is it not going? It's because I have tiny hands, do I? Oh my god. Sorry, customer, but it's not going, okay? You're gonna have to waste your time here, but it's not going. Sorry, but you're gonna have to waste your time here. Okay, I'm gonna exit out the game because I want to quit. I want to quit. I don't want to play anything. You know what? I'm done. I'm done with the game. That customer was gonna have to waste his time here. Okay, let's see. Master block. What's master block? Pets control. Master? Okay, so I decided to play the hot Coca-Cola machine. So basically, in the game, you I guess have to make hot Coca-Cola for yourself. Color purple. Shit, I choose green. Wait. I chose brown. Marshmallows. No, I wanted marshmallows. Enjoy. Obviously, I'll enjoy it. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna watch the joke show. Okay, so we're gonna play. So we're gonna play another game, and then that's the wrap for the video. Okay, before we end this video, I'm gonna show you another game. Then we're gonna wrap this video. No, I don't want to play that. Trivia. We're gonna play the trivia questions. Okay. Which isn't... Oh, crap! I was supposed to play. Geez, how do you get out of this? How many claws does a crab have? 2? Wait. Full of iron. What does that mean? Happy. I'm happy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my god, there's still time left. Water in the ocean is sweet? Oh no, it's salty. Damn it. Butterflies drink through a tube called a pipe? No, it was something else. Let's see. I didn't get nothing. So basically I got nothing. Damn it! Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! This thing's still recording?